Hello guys, may buntag nagtesta og insulation sa ating 50 kVA transformer. Okay guys, tingnan na natin ang connection natin from primary to secondary insulation test. Set natin ng tester natin. I-on natin 1000 volts. Tapos test. Bali giga ohms ang kunin natin guys, 1 minute. Ganyan kami dito guys, yung transformer namin testing namin bago lumabas dito sa shop. Bali yung primary to secondary yung kinuha nating solution test. Okay guys, umabot na siya ng 1 minute. So yan ang value niya, giga ohms yan guys. Hope natin giga ohms. Tapos primary to ground na naman tayo. Primary to ground tayo. Primary to ground. Ilang value. Primary to ground test. Primary to ground. Okay, ang ground guys from primary, malakas siya. Next natin itis guys is secondary